So what's going on here, I'm testing a 7-inch drone inside because it's hot and windy outside, just to mess around with camera angles. Now that I've got into Acro as my main mode of flying, I've put the camera on a bit of a tilt. So this first flight, it's got a fairly severe up tilt. So just checking it out. Incidentally, this is the kind of flying that I suspect the Australian authorities and probably other authorities are most happy to see in terms of hobbyist drone flying. Indoors, no risk to aviation or the general public. However, it's probably not ideal flying a drone with 7-inch props that's capable of about 100 kilometers an hour inside, unless you know exactly what you're doing. So this is, it also illustrates the benefits of being proficient in angle mode, because you don't have this kind of control in Acro. I mean, Acro for general flying is the most fun, it's the most manoeuvrable, but if you're flying in tight spaces, you don't want to mess around with having to keep the thing straight and level, and that's where angle mode comes into its own. So, pretty happy with what I'm seeing on the FPV camera here, and also how the little drone's going. I'll be making another video shortly after this. The body of this drone is a MJX Bugs 3, which was pretty much the first really good drone that I ever got into. And I'll take it apart, I'll flip the lid later just to show you what's involved now. I'm running out of 5-volt power feeds for all the equipment that's tucked inside there, with a SpeedyB F405 processor and I think a 55 amp ESC. But yeah, having a lot of fun.